Have you ever wondered about the secret behind the radiant, youthful complexion of many Japanese women? Their secret lies not in expensive creams or treatments, but in a holistic approach to skincare that has been passed down through generations. This approach emphasizes a healthy diet, lifestyle, and the use of natural ingredients. These ingredients are often found right in their kitchens. One such ingredient, rice, holds a special place in Japanese beauty rituals. For centuries, Japanese women have recognized the incredible benefits of rice for maintaining youthful skin. Rice is a staple food in Japan, but it also plays a starring role in their skincare routines. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, rice offers a natural and effective way to combat the signs of aging. Let's explore the power of rice and unlock the secrets to achieving smooth, radiant skin, even at 70. Rice is a powerhouse of nutrients that can work wonders for your skin. It contains a special compound called gamma-oryzanol, a potent antioxidant that protects the skin from harmful UV rays. UV rays are known to accelerate the aging process, leading to wrinkles and age spots. By neutralizing these free radicals, rice helps to prevent and diminish the appearance of these visible signs of aging. In addition to its antioxidant properties, rice is also rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is known for its moisturizing and healing properties. It helps to retain the skin's natural moisture, keeping it hydrated, plump, and youthful. Furthermore, rice contains ferulic acid, another powerful antioxidant that enhances the effectiveness of other antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E. This synergistic effect provides your skin with an extra layer of protection against environmental damage. This simple yet effective mask combines the power of rice with the invigorating scent of orange zest. Orange zest is a natural source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives skin its elasticity and firmness. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of white rice, 1 teaspoon of orange zest, 1 tablespoon of milk or yogurt for added benefits. Instructions: finely grind the rice using a blender or food processor until it becomes a fine powder. In a small bowl, mix the rice powder with orange zest. Gradually add milk or yogurt to the mixture, stirring continuously until you achieve a smooth paste. Apply the mask evenly to your cleansed face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the nutrients to penetrate your skin. Rinse off the mask with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Recipe 2. Nourishing rice, coconut, and almond oil blend. This luxurious blend combines the anti-aging benefits of rice with the deep moisturizing properties of coconut oil and almond oil. Coconut oil is a natural emollient that helps to lock in moisture, while almond oil is rich in vitamin E, further enhancing the blend's anti-aging properties. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of almond oil. Instructions: in a small bowl, combine the rice flour, coconut oil, and almond oil. Mix well until you achieve a smooth and homogeneous paste. Gently massage the blend onto your cleansed face and neck in circular motions. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the oils to penetrate your skin. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. You can use this blend as a daily moisturizer or as a weekly treatment. Embrace natural beauty. Seek professional guidance. The Japanese secret to youthful skin lies in embracing natural ingredients and incorporating them into a holistic skincare routine. Rice, with its abundance of anti-aging properties, is a testament to the power of nature in enhancing our beauty. While these recipes can be beneficial, it's essential to remember that they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any underlying skin conditions or concerns, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist or qualified healthcare professional. Embrace the wisdom of traditional remedies, but do so responsibly and in conjunction with professional guidance. Enjoy experimenting with these natural remedies and discover the transformative power of rice for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this post if you found it helpful. Let's spread the message of natural beauty and empower others to achieve healthy, radiant skin.